Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga, pinost ng Pocket Media at ni Ellis Katrina. Okay, grabe. Ito na ang actual promotion schedule ng That Kind of Love, guys. So, teaser poster ay 7 PM today. June 16 ay countdown. June 17 official trailer 7 PM. June 20 Grand Media Conference, June 21 Grand Media Conference Behind the Scenes, June 22 Photo Sketch 1, June 23 Photo Sketch 2, June 24 Photo Sketch 3, June 25 Family Feud Cast Guesting, June 26 Photo Sketch 4, June 27 Photo Sketch 5, June 28 Photo Sketch 6, June 29 Behind the Scenes Teaser, June 30 All Out Sunday Special Guesting, July 2 It's Showtime Special Guesting, July 4 hindi pa sinabi kung ano yun, baka yun yung showing date, at July 5 Happy Borda Day Special Sketch. Hey, grabe, ang dami na schedule nila. I'm so excited. Ang dami ko makakontent sa inyo everyday, guys. So kilig. At ito na nga pinost ni Joanne Pinote kagabi. So, Pulang Araw camera still rolling now. David Licauco, Barbie Fortes. As mga 9 or 10 na yata pinost ni Joanne Pinote to. At okay, sa after taping ay kasama ni David ang mga staff ng Pulang Araw at pumunta sila sa Bonitos Bar and Restaurant. Sabi niya, "Thank you paring David Licauco sa birthday sa Lubong Foods. More blessings to come. Love you. Happy birthday, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo." At Bonitos Bar and Restaurant, ayan ang gwapong si David tsaka si Nathan. Ito yung kinain nila. So, ayan, in IG story ni Nathan. At ito na nga yung place. Ayan, kasama rin sa IG story ni Nathan Perolino. Nakaka-post pa yata hanggang ngayon for dinner. Ayan na nga. With the staff. At ito, another picture. Ayan na nga, si David. At Bonitos Bar and Restaurant is in Los Baños, Laguna. Unfortunately, hindi nakasama si Mir kasi nagpa-opera yata siya. At next naman ay super ganda nung bumungad sa amin pagkagising ko kanina ng alas 3 kasi may birthday greeting si Barbie Fortesa. Grabe. Let's watch this.
Happy birthday, David! This is Barbie. Sana ay ma-celebrate mo ng maayos ang special day mo with your family and loved ones. And good luck sa businesses mo. At galingan mo ko palagi. And ayun, I wish you all the best. And see you sa taping.
Ayun na nga, the super pretty and cute Barbie Fortesa. At sabi ng David Troops official, may nauna ng bumate. Many thanks to deal with Barbie for this short yet meaningful birthday greeting for David. Our appreciation also to Sir Nathan Perolino for making this happen. At 12 midnight yata na-upload yun. At nag-hi naman agad si David nung 12:53. Grabe. At yan ay sa Twitter. And I like this picture of them, That Kind of Love. At ito naman, ayun na, ito naman ay birthday greeting ni Mr. Kim, Ilan, and family from all the way from Australia. Let's watch this.
Happy birthday, Shotty.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Taco.
Ayun na nga, ang cute-cute ng pamangkin ni David. Grabe. At next naman ay galing kay Direct Zyro of Maging Sino Ka Man. Let's watch this.
My brother from another mother, paring David. Happy birthday. Naway humaba pa yung buhay mo at dumami pa yung businesses mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin at palaging mag-iingat kasi marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Ayun. So palagi lang kami nandito. Hinihintay ka lang namin. Gusto ko lang talaga yung success sa buhay mo. Tsaka happy ako kung nasaan ka ngayon. Keep in touch, brother. Happy birthday.
At dahil nga dyan, ay madaling araw pa lang guys, ay actually trending na si David Licauco. At ito, bagong post sa Facebook, sabi, ng Kapuso United, new movie alert. Primetime Princess Barbie Fortesa, kapamilya actor JC Alcantara, and family. 2024 Best Child Actor Ewan Michael is set to do a movie under GMA Pictures and Clever Mind Incorporated. More details soon. O, diba? May bagong movie na agad si Barbie. At ito yung mga birthday greeting from GMA Network, from Bench Lifestyle, ang cute niya dyan. At from Silpo Grind, Coach Nicolo Chua. Ayan na nga, may IG, post din. And from Benchkin Expert, happy birthday David Licaco, may your year ahead be as charming and captivating as you are. And this is from ALV Circuit. And from Epicacent Oil, here's to maginhawang birthday David. And lastly, from Universal Records, happy birthday David. Teka, ano nangyari do sa album ni David, guys? At next ay birthday greeting next floor with Benz. Happiest birthday Master David Licaco. Kita kits ulit. Shish. And yan na nga, napaka-cute na si David. And newest branch of Filipino-Korean fusion restaurant ni David Licaco dito sa SM City Clark. May video to guys, let's watch this.
Palagi palang tumatambay dito si David Licaco, ang pambansang Ginoo ng Pilipinas. At ito ang pinakabagong branch ng kanyang sariling Filipino-Korean fusion restaurant. At dito lang yan matatagpuan sa SM City Clark, Pampanga. Shush! Konnichiwa, what's up mga master? Another YOLO moment. Shush! Nag-teleport na naman kami sa SM Clark para itry ang newest branch ng Kuya Korea. At swerte kami dahil nandito lagi ang owner at founder, si Master David Licaco. Shush! In-explain niya na Kuya Korea ang napili niyang pangalan dahil ito ay Filipino-Korean fusion restaurant. Korean dishes ang mga sinaserve nila pero pasok pa din sa panlasa nating mga Pinoy. Kaya tara, kain na tayo. To start the show, this is their bibimbap. Isa sa mga paborito ko from the list dahil fresh yung mga vegetables at high quality yung beef na ginamit nila. Mas sumarap ang hato nung sinubuhan ako ni Master David. Shush! Next is their japchae. For me, this is savory and slightly sweet. Gusto ko na chewy yung glass noodles at ganitong pagkakaluto din ng egg yung gusto ko. At ito ang pinagmamalaki nilang ganjang boneless and gochujang boneless. Fan talaga ako ng Korean fried chicken. Both are crispy at talagang kakainin mo na lang dahil boneless ito. Pinaka nagustuhan ko yung ganjang. Ito naman ang kanilang The K-Pop Chicken Combo. Meron naman tong Korean fried chicken with two sides na K-fired noodles and fries. Next is their cheesy fire chicken. Yung thick sauce nito is parang kalasa ng Filipino mechado. It's also cheesy at perfect i-match sa rice. Para sa dessert, nag-order din kami ng kanilang strawberry KK bingsu. Overall, super nag-enjoy kami dito sa Kuya Korea. I can say na worth the hype siya dahil pumasa sa panlasa namin yung mga food na sinerve nila at nakasama ko pang kumain si Master David Licaco. So kung nagkikrave kayo ng Korean fried chicken at kung gusto nyo din makita at makasamang kumain si David Licaco, tara let's G na dito sa Kuya Korea SM Clark branch. On to the next YOLO moment mga master. Shush!
At next naman ay post ni Sir Nathan Perolino. Happy birthday pre David Licaco, we love you. Ayan na nga, si David. So akala ko birthday party to kanina pero meron pala siyang event. Kapuso actor David Licaco here at Hennessy NBA pop-up store in SM Mega Mall. At nandun rin nga si Coach Nicolo Chua. And syempre may video to guys. Let's watch this.
Yes. One, two, nice. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on, David. 1, 2. Wait now. 1, 2, 3. Pwede may bata yung bola sa taas. Yan! Kaba. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Sama. 1. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Asa. 1.
Ayun ang picture perfect na si David Licaco at kasama din dun si Nikki Ko, Jorel, si Isabel Bulatao at syempre si Nathan Perolino. Ito na nga, more pictures of the very handsome David Licaco. At yan na nga. At napakaganda nito, no? Grabe. Ang gandang display. Nice. I still love it. Parang NBA, ano siya, ball. Yung championship, trophy, parang gano'n. Ayan na nga. Si David, at saka si Coach Nicolo Chua. At ito naman, nag-post si David sa IG na nakasmile. At next naman ay greeting ni Miss Isabel Bulatao. Sabi niya, happiest +1 birthday sa napakabait kong alaga. David Licaco, grateful for 6 years of friendship. Love you, papi. Enjoy your day. P.S. Salamat pumayag kang mag-burger post with me. At next naman ay appreciation ni David sa lahat na nag-greet sa kanya. Let's watch this.
Binabasa ko yung tweets and super appreciate ko lahat ng mga sinasabi nila. May mga testimonies pa, old pictures and all that. Kaya super thankful. Para mas maraming nag-greet sa akin ng mga fans na natouch ako kaya sa mga kaibigan at pamilya ko. Kaya super thank you sa inyo lahat.
Ay wow, David may hugot. Anyway, ito actually ginilig ako kanina. Grabe guys. Sabi ni Barbie, happy birthday David Licaco. At after 3 minutes ay nag-thank you agad si David. Thank you so much, deal with Barbie. Oh, di ba? Grabe. Tinatay niya talaga i-greet siya ni Barbie sa Twitter. At I so love it. Iba pa yung video greeting ni Barang at iba pa yung tweet greeting. Oh, di ba? And next is throwback video of what happened last year on his birthday. Let's watch this.
Oh, Yano, Megkatabi na talaga si Barbie at David. Killig, I do apologize. I was advised earlier that Barbie was the one on the left of David, but it happens to be divine. Barbie was behind the cameraman singing Happy Birthday. David's that kind of birthday, with his crush Barbie, shooting a movie, celebrating his birthday. I'm so happy for you, David.
Ayun na nga guys, so si Miss Cathy Camarillo yung nagdala ng cake ni David para i-blow. Samantalang si Barbie ay nasa likod ng cameraman. At si Divine naman yung nasa right side niya. At yun na nga yung cake. At yan, I love the song. Ayan si Barbie, naka-violet. I love the song, love sensation, yung chemistry, di ba? Grabe. Oh, di ba? And yes, ang ganda ng birthday niya last year. Actually, maganda rin naman kagabi pagkatama pa lang sila, di ba? Tapos puro greeting pa, no? So, yan na nga. At puro work mode si David sa kanyang mga birthday, in fairness sa kanya. Ayan na si Barbie. At dinala nga din Divine para siyang katabi talaga. Dapat naman talaga ni David. Kaya nga, may pictures. Ayan. Ayun na, umakbay na si Barang. So mukha naman hika na si David niyan. At next video,
David Licaco's That Kind of Birthday. This is the video of the Mall of Asia Globe where David's birthday greeting is advertised. He was shooting a movie in the morning with Barbie. Then he had a lunch date with his family. His dad Tito Jack jokingly said may Poliandal Kapasa birthday upon yon, David Licaco. And now I will read the birthday message of Tita Eden Licaco for David. Seeing you thrive in your world outside the family has made me think of how happy I am for you and how thrilled I am to watch you live your dreams. Keep soaring. Stay humble and grateful. As you move forward, remember the reasons and people who make your journey worth the hard work. Happy birthday, David. I wish you success in your big dreams and great ideas. Much love. Again, happy birthday, David.
And again, I would just like to read Barbie Fortesa's greeting. Last year, happy birthday. Maging masaya ka palagi at huwag pababayaan ang sarili. Congrats sa lahat. Enjoy your special day.
The staff of That Kind of Love giving David a surprise cake on his birthday. Maggie and Yarn. Again, happy birthday, David. Barbie is the one wearing a blue skirt on his left. It seems that David/Adam went to Barbie/Milla's house on Misty. May meet the parents, then Pamaman. He cannot see Adam. So Killig, I know David is happy on his birthday. He is with his crush Barbie.
At yun na nga guys, doon ako nagkamali. Akala ko si Barbie naka-blue. Si Divine pala yun. Si Barbie pala ay nasa likod ng cameraman habang nag-greet. Gusto niya kasi nakapokus kay David yung yung camera. Ayan na nga. Pati si Tito Tony ay napanood ang video greeting ni David Licaco. At yun na nga guys, ang staff ng That Kind of Love, the movie na shooting last year. And guys, yun nga palang pa-video greeting kay David. Actually, ginaya lang ng David Troops yun sa Barbinatics. Sa birthday ni Barang. Maganda nga naman kasi yung mga birthday greeting na yun. Sana pa sila ng iba pang artista na na close kay David, no? Like yung si Nikki Ko, may birthday greeting, ganyan. Si Derek, diba? Mas maganda sana. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!